Buddies, so today we are going to the Kawasaki showroom again to check out the Vulcan S. Yes, this was just launched a day before, that is yesterday on Saturday in Hyderabad, and this would compete with the Harley-Davidson Street 750. So this will be a very important motorcycle in this segment. So let me go check out the motorcycle, how it actually looks in person.
These uptight hoes better watch they tone, cause when they come to my shows they gon' watch me glow. And when they see me in the fur, I'ma watch them grown. Got a man because I'm dominant, slinging these ad homonyms. I'm a dick until I work her esophagus. Meditating on the herbs of a shaman is calling economist. Way my wallet fat and it's ominous.
Buddies, so here I am, and let us have a short talk about the Kawasaki Vulcan S. Yes, the brand new cruiser in town. Now I went to the showroom and had a look at this motorcycle. I still haven't test ridden it. I will test ride it most probably over the coming weekend. But what are my first impressions and what is my thought about this motorcycle? Well, first impression, the motorcycle looks absolutely awesome. This motorcycle is in competition with the Harley-Davidson Street 750 and the Harley-Davidson Street Rod. And the Street 750 is a nice motorcycle, but it doesn't look as curvy, bulky, and so here is where the Vulcan kind of stands out. Vulcan looks nice and bulky, and it has got those curves which this Street 750 does not. And Street 750 also looks very small, very short in height. And this Street Rod looks very nice, but the Vulcan has this rock solid reliable engine of the Kawasaki 650 series, which are really good. And I understand with the stock exhaust, the Vulcan doesn't sound as good as the Street Rod would sound. But again, all that we have to do is just put in one aftermarket exhaust onto the Vulcan, and the Vulcan would sound absolutely phenomenal. The parallel twin engine is not just reliable but also produces decent amount of power, about 60 bhp and also about 60 Nm of torque. These are decent figures. You can cruise at easily at about 150 or 160 kilometers an hour with these figures. And on the whole, it's a beautiful motorcycle, really well made by Kawasaki. I am kind of impressed. So do wait, friends, for my test ride review, which is going to come up soon. But at this point, if you wish to go ahead go ahead and buy the Kawasaki Vulcan S, then I would say go ahead, because at a price point of 6.3 lakh rupees, well, I would say you don't really have to think much. It is a beautiful motorcycle. And this motorcycle also has ABS, anti-lock braking system. So buddies, that is it from my side, and more information coming up soon after I test ride this motorcycle. And if you're not subscribed to me, you're missing out on well over 615 videos. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye bye.